Hi everybody, this is Ju from SoJooCars and Happy New Year. Thank you for the wonderful 2020 that we have shared together, and let us look forward for more blessings this 2021 and without the coronavirus. Before we start our review, I want you to go to your house and look for the items and find something that is not made in China. But I'm very sure you have something made in China, even the phone that you are using to watch this right now. I want you to react to this. What if there was a China car brand or an unknown brand from China that offers 10 years engine warranty or 1 million kilometers of mileage, 5 years of bumper-to-bumper warranty, 3 years of free PMS, yes, that includes change oil, and 3 years of roadside assistance. Would that make you confident to buy an unknown brand? There's that brand, and that is Chery Motors. If that doesn't make you confident, I don't know what else will make you more confident. Just in case I triggered you, please leave a comment in the comment section why I triggered you. And if you're actually okay with China brand, please do tell me also in the comment section below and why. Thank you. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, and if you have subscribed already, please don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Just like an iPhone, iPhone is different from iPhone Pro, and so is this Tiggo 7 Pro, which is very different from the Tiggo 7. And here are the reasons why. Just by looking at the exterior features alone, this car has a lot to say, especially looking at the headlights and this wonderful grille and the nice daytime running lights or fog lamp. This car really turns heads. I'm not saying that it's going to turn your head like an exotic car, but it is a unique design. It is a well designed car that you don't see every day. Well, the rear is actually very similar with the Tiggo 8 and the other Tiggo models, but the front, I must say, is so beautiful and so wonderfully done. Yes, the brand logo might trigger you. Maybe you can change it if you want to, but man, it's so beautiful.